Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and for those you who are new, of course, welcome. My name's Stephanie. You guys, BOXYCHARM arrived. I am a subscriber, longtime subscriber of the BOXYCHARM base box. Of course, it's no longer truly BOXYCHARM anymore. They call it Boxy by Ipsy. Honestly, it's just another Ipsy box. Why do I say that? Because it says it on the box, right? So, Glam Bag, BOXYCHARM, Icon Box, and their refreshments line. So this is the box I got this month, you guys. It's huge. And I'm wondering if this is like just a giant waste of space and shipping and money, because it's not that heavy. So you do get to pick 3 out of the 5 items in the base box. They give you a selection of items. It's not a large selection. You get to pick from like, I think there's 5 or 6 per. You get 3 picks, and it's not like you get like 25 things and you just pick. They give you like, here's your first pick, and there's like maybe 5 items, 6 items. And your second pick, there's maybe 5 or 6 items. So like if you liked 3 of the 5 items in the first pick, you only get to pick 1. So here we go. It's under $30 a month. What a waste of space, you guys. Look at this. Wasted, wasteful. Here's my packing material. It's paper. Here's the little newspaper they send with you. BOXYCHARM August is Return to the Wild. Build your box, scan here, check out the Ipsy shop, 5 beauty hacks. We've got news. Vanessa Hudgens is a Glam Slam member perks. It's just a giant advertisement. Okay, so I did go in and make picks. Now, if you don't do your picks by a certain date, they just fill your box with whatever they decide that you want. You do get to fill out your profile. I told them I am like 20-something-year-old and all I want is a ton of makeup and as little bit of skincare as possible. Okay, so the first thing I see in here, I did pick, because, you all know I love brushes. So this is Beauty for Real, a set of brushes. Honestly, guys, the picks, my pick choices this month were not ideal. I really was not too thrilled with my options. So this is one of my picks. It's 2 big face brushes. So that's, what can I say? I picked it. All right, second item is Fierce Flicks in Black from ZeeSea London. Precision Tip Liquid Liner. And do they have the color on here? Yeah, just, black. So it's very reflective. I do want to open the box and see what the pen looks like. My eyes are a mess, you guys. I had all my makeup on, and we actually are getting rain. It was pouring, and I mean mega pouring rain today. I got soaked trying to get to work. Okay, it's Fierce Flicks. This is it. And it's shrink wrapped, so I'm not going to open it. I will use that. I did pick that. It seems like a boring choice, but let me tell you, the other options were horrid, in my opinion. Okay, next item feels like a skincare item. The Inky List Selfless by Hiram. Every product purchase provides someone with a year's clean drinking water, niacinamide and maracuja. I wonder, I might have actually picked this because it had the niacinamide in it. Honestly, I sound like a broken record. The picks my choices were awful this month again. So it is 1.7 ounces. Doesn't even tell you what it is. Okay, let's just open it. Here's the box. Okay, it's obviously some sort of skincare serum. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's a squeezy tube, which is fine. I actually just finished using something with niacinamide in it not that long ago, so that's cool. Let's see what it looks like. There's the applicator. I'll just put a little bit on my hand. There you go. Looks like a skincare item to me. They all kind of look and act the same, don't they? No scent. Rubs in clean and clear. So, that's nice. Has a slick feel to it. Maybe a mild scent. Nothing noticeable though. So, that's nice. We'll see how that feels in a minute. 2 more items to go. Here is a little palette from ZeeSea London. Very nicely bubble wrapped. How do they got us getting into this? Where's the tape? I don't like wasting bubble wrap. All right, I got it. A little quad, I'm guessing. Ciate London Olive. And oh, it's a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. So you see the size of it. That's going to be 9 itty bitty tiny little pans. Do I have my little pry bar? I do. Pry bar that open. That's going to be 9 tiny, tiny little eyeshadow pans. Because I was thinking this was a quad. So it's green. I do believe this is actually one of my picks. You gonna open it or you gonna make me break a nail? There's a mirror in here. I will just cover it. Honestly, I mean, do they all have to look like this? It doesn't matter who the manufacturer is. They all kind of look the same. Right? Like there's tons of dupes. Like this could even be a dupe for another makeup brand. It's really pretty though. Ooh. There is a shade saver on it. I hope you guys didn't, well, let me pull the shade saver off and just, okay. There, I didn't know if I got it all reflective. So apologies for that. Put that back on. Okay, and then we got another one. This is Berries and Cream Dreams from Violet Voss. I feel like I've gotten this before, but that's okay. It is what it is. Repeats happen a lot. I probably just got something similar from her, and it does have a mirror. I can feel it. So I'm going to cover that with the box. There's a shade saver. This is a very pretty. Taking that shade saver off again. This is pretty. These are beautiful colors. I love the pinks and reds like this. I think that's a really, really nice, nice palette. And her shadows are really nice. So I'm not going to swatch it, you guys. Honestly, I have all these shades in a lot of palettes I already own and use. If I swatch this, I have to keep it. It's just going to go in the palette collection. I've got a ton of palettes. I'd rather set it aside and use it as a gifting item for either friends, family, or y'all's giveaway pile. So this is nice. This is makeup. If I didn't think I already had these shades, I probably would keep this, but I'm already going through my head. Like I have thinking of like 3 or 4 palettes that I have these shades in. So, and the greens, I believe I picked this, but honestly, you guys, like I don't wear greens, and I picked this, I think, because I thought it would be a really nice gift or giveaway item. I am thinking towards the holiday, so that's nice. And Ciate London's great products. This I'll pull this out. I'm going to take this out. I'm honestly going to get rid of the box, and I'll use this right away. So I'm going to use it. No problem. I'm not going to use this yet, this eyeliner, but I will use it. So I honestly will just get rid of the box and put it in my stash of preparedness for using liquid black eyeliners. Like I said, my makeup's a mess. I got drenched trying to run to my car and from my car. So, and then, you know, I'm always up for brushes. These are really nice. If I don't keep these, they'll go in a giveaway collection. I do have a pile of brushes, but Beauty For Real is pretty nice, and these feel really nice. So I got to decide if I'll keep those or not. As you all know, I just got a bunch of new brushes. So not a bad box, right? I mean, I wasn't real thrilled with some of my picks, but it could have been a whole lot worse. So let me know what you guys think. I got to keep this kind of short. My battery's a little low. I film with my phone, and my battery is a little low, so I don't want to be too long, but they are including a little bit of advertising information in here. Honestly, all it does is promote their products, right? Like they're telling you to buy their mystery boxes or bags, they call them, member perks to try to get you to, you know, upgrade your box or add on and buy more boxes. The Glam Slam, they're getting ready to, you know, they're promoting various creators. It is nice. They do give you some beauty hacks. That's always nice, always appreciated. And then again, the theme for this month is Return to the Wild. I don't know why I would call that a Return to the Wild box. Maybe the green palette could be considered somewhat organic, but only because it's greens. But other than that, they kind of suggest some like green, like nail polish, the green eye look, green primer. So yeah. All right, guys, appreciate it so much. Let me know what you think. What do you think? Do I keep this box? So far, I'm going to keep it, but, you know, I guess I'll probably decide towards the end of the year, unless they just start blowing my boxes. But I'm not thrilled with this, but I'm not horribly unhappy yet because I'm still getting makeup. I'm not getting just like tons of skincare, I think. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, you guys. Especially a lot of you guys have been with me for a while. You all know me pretty well. What do you think? Yeah, I've really kind of reduced my boxes and stuff, so I don't want to get rid of everything. But I'm disappointed. I think BOXYCHARM, I like, even though you couldn't pick your item, I think the drop shop and the mega drop shop were way better. Been very disappointed in Ipsy's version of the mega drop shop and drop shop, honestly. It just, you know, I got that little, I think it was $4 or $5 from Ipsy. It was a little Pure Lease, like this big of a tube. Disappointing. You know, sample sizes that you're paying $4 or $5 for, I just thought was kind of very disappointing. I thought things were better offerings in the Boxy drop shop than Ipsy's version. So I'm still pretty disappointed in that they got rid of the old BOXYCHARM company and they merged it into Ipsy. But it is what it is. You buy your competition and then you destroy it, right? That's what they're doing. All right, y'all. Sorry to be so negative. Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I really appreciate it. Have a great one, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.